Step 1 is to close the Internet Download Manager completely. From the toolbar near the clock, right-click on Internet Download Manager icon and choose Exit. Step 2 is to uninstall the Internet Download Manager. Open the control panel and go to Apps. Search for Internet Download Manager and select Uninstall. When the uninstallation window opens, select Full and then Next. Then wait for the process to finish. Sometimes it might ask you to restart your PC. You can ignore this for now because we will restart the PC after completing all steps. Step 3 is to clean the registry. Open the Start menu, search for Regedit, and select Run as Administrator. When the registry editor opens, press Ctrl+F to search. Type Internet Download Manager and click Find Next. Delete every key you find related to Internet Download Manager using Delete button. Continue the search by pressing F3 and repeat this process until you see the message, Finished searching through the registry. I'll speed up the video to complete this process.
With their nails done now. So now I gotta say goodbye.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. My best friend.
Until you break down.
For my outfit, go wish.
This ain't what you want, phenomenon.
Say you're sorry. Hate that I even loved you. Hate
Step 4. Once it's finished, restart your PC. Step 5. Open your browser and search for Internet Download Manager. Look for the official website internetdownloadmanager.com and click on it. If you haven't used IDM before, I recommend trying the 30-day trial to see if it works for you. Click Try IDM 30-day free trial to download it. Your download location might vary depending on your browser, but you can always find it in your File Explorer's Downloads folder. Once downloaded, open the installer. You will get a Windows security pop-up, which I can't record, so just proceed with the installation. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. Click Next. Agree to the terms in the license agreement and click Next. Choose if you want an icon for IDM and where you want it installed, then click Next again. The installation will complete quickly. Click Finish, and the problem should now be resolved. I hope you found this video helpful. Please comment if it worked for you. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.